Alright you guys, so I wanted to explain kind of what I'm doing right here, right now. For some of you that may not know if you've never fished nets. So I explained in my last video that I fish these nets on the bottom of the lake. So you've got these leaders on both sides, about 25 foot is what I normally use with rope, and then your weight. Well, you got a drag here, you throw out and you just drag it across the bottom, and you'll know when you catch it, you'll feel it. But that's what I'm doing right now, is just dragging for it until I find it. And then once you do, see, there it is right there, I felt it. Now all you got to do is just drag it up to the boat and grab your line. Pretty good haul there. The weight done drifted down while I had so much problem dragging for it. Oh man, this is a haul, y'all. Yeah, we definitely caught them. Y'all, I woke up, had a crick in my neck this morning, so that's all I can do to get these nets in the boat right now. Let's see. That is as full can get. It don't look like it in the video, but that is a huge bucket, and it is slap full with only 2 nets. So I got a lot of cleaning I got to go do. Probably gonna turn some of these out. Anyway, y'all stick around. footage wasn't very good of running them nets. I don't know, any of y'all that do YouTube knows that sometimes it can be kind of hard to self-film and do what you got to do, and especially on the lake when you're fighting wind and water and all that, it can get complicated. So don't have a lot of footage of running the nets, but hey, look, we got a bunch of fish today, a bunch out of just 2 nets. That one was loaded, and the last video we caught a lot of small ones, but this video, I mean, we caught some fillets this time, sure enough fillets. So I'm gonna fillet a bunch of these catfish, and what I didn't show in the video is I did turn a few loose that was small. I mean, it was just way too much fish for me to keep. So I threw back a bunch of the small ones, but I kept a pretty good bit of fish, these big fillets. So hey, we're gonna skin these out, and for once I think I know what I'm gonna make. So pretty sure I'm gonna make fish tacos tonight. So y'all hang around and see how we do that. All right, for your fish tacos, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some picante sauce, lettuce, cheese, your hard taco shells, butter, lime juice, and your fish. Now all we're gonna do is start out, we're gonna melt our butter in this pan to get it started off. All right, so all we're doing, we got our butter in here melting. We're gonna take our fish, just lay them in there. Nothing fancy. We got some small pieces we're making tacos because the bigger pieces gonna get cut up anyway. It's in that butter. Might not be good for you, but it's good to you. All right, now that you got those in there, we'll hit a little garlic salt. I mean garlic powder, not garlic salt. Some onion powder. Pepper. A little bit of salt. Nothing fancy. Just kind of cooking them, a little bit of seasoning. We're gonna cook them probably about 4 minutes and then flip them, cook them another 2 to 3 minutes. I don't know, we'll just kind of have to see when they get flaky and they'll be ready to pull off. All right, so these been cooking about 4 minutes or so. We're gonna go ahead and flip them. Now, cooking them in this butter, they're gonna look a little different, but I'm telling you, this stuff's gonna be good if I can get it to flip right. These 2 pieces. And this one. Now, can't help it. Got to put a little Tony's in there. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. All right, we're gonna cook them another couple minutes and they'll be ready to pull off. All right, so the fish is about ready. If you look over here, it's starting to get kind of flaky. So it's ready. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with a little lime juice. All right, get our plate over here. Smells good, y'all. So now for your fish taco, ain't nothing to this thing. We ain't getting fancy around here. We're just trying to eat. We got our hard taco shell. I'm gonna take us a little bit of this fish right here, kind of break it up in a few pieces. Maybe one more. Put one more on there. Kind of break it up a little bit. Now, got to grab some scissors here. Get a little bit of this lettuce. I like lettuce on my tacos. I don't know about y'all. I like a lot of lettuce. All right, we're gonna hit it a little bit of cheese. Some Borden's 4 cheese Mexican cheese. That's what I'm using. Pour some of that on top. Then to top it off, we got a little bit of this paste picante sauce. Pour a little bit of that on top. It'll be a little bit messy, but hey, that's all right. It's gonna taste good. Try this out right here. Woo-wee. Y'all, that's good right there. I'm gonna finish this, and I appreciate y'all watching. See you next week.